This is again interesting, the Indian propaganda that is going on day in, day out for last 24, 36 hours that we are seeing. That Pakistan has attacked at What a shame. What a mockery of journalism. Karachi is burning. Karachi has been taken over. Go and call Karachi. Find out where it's burning. Pakistan JF-17 Thunders have been taken out. At least show me the debris of one aircraft.
क्वेटा का इलाका है, वहाँ पर
in Quetta also
दिया है। इस्लामाबाद के बड़े इम्पोर्टेंट स्ट्रेटेजिक लोकेशंस पर अटैक किया गया।
Now this is war.
This sort of war they can keep on fighting for next many days. Don't worry. You are so fond of Pakistan firing at you. We will fulfill your demand at the time, place, and means of our choosing. Please stop living in Bollywood. Grow up. Now, this is again interesting, the Indian propaganda that is going on day in, day out for last 24, 36 hours that we are seeing. That Pakistan has attacked at multiple places in India. Pakistan has attacked. Pakistan aircraft is there. And Pakistan have strike missiles and send drones and do what and I don't know what. We have got so sick and tired, and it is now we just stopped even following this sort of nonsense and stories and humor that is coming from there. The Indian journalists are themselves also saying, I never deleted tweets, but today I am deleting all tweets that I made without verifying the claims of our Indian media channels. I feel sad, not because of tweeting, but more so because I wrongly believed what I saw. As an Indian, I am fuming. Last night our news channels fed us lies, fake strikes on Karachi, imaginary evasions, recycled videos, no facts, just drama. While citizens slept feeling proud, the world watched us become a joke. This is not patriotism, it's betrayal, shameful. Another journalist, I hope the editors of all TV news media have a hard look at themselves. You were a national embarrassment last night, every single one of you. What a shame. What a mockery of journalism. This is what Pakistan has fired. At least have the sense to burn these brown fields if one of our projectile and one of our missiles has gone and hit a field. Karachi is burning. Karachi has been taken over. Go and call Karachi. Find out where it's burning. Pakistan JF-17 Thunders have been taken out. At least show me the debris of one aircraft. At least show me the electronic signature of one aircraft that Pakistan, of one UAV, one drone that Pakistan has fired there.
Yeah.
That's why we say, don't worry. You are so fond of Pakistan firing at you. We will fulfill your demand at the time, place, and means of our choosing.
సో బేసికల్గా ఆయన ఏం చెప్తున్నాడంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు అయితే మేము ఇండియా మీద ఒక్క దాడి చేయలేదని చెప్తున్నాడు. అంటే మరి ఆయన ఎట్లా చచ్చిపోతారు అంటే వీళ్ళే చేస్తున్నారు, చేసి పాకిస్తాన్ చేస్తుందని అబద్ధం చెప్తున్నారు. అది పహల్గామ్ అయినా సరే ఇప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది ఆయన. సో దే ఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ప్లే ద డ్రామా. ఓకే, ఇది ఒక పెద్ద కుట్ర.
We don't need Indian, this stupid, this shameful media to tell us that they themselves are embarrassed that what they are doing.
కరెక్ట్. అంటే ఈ మొత్తం ఉదంతం ద్వారా ఏమర్థమైంది, హౌ బీజేపీ ఆర్ఎస్ఎస్ యొక్క చెత్త ఎట్లా ప్రాపగాండా చేస్తారనేది మొత్తం బయటపడ్డది. దే ఎక్స్పోజ్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ at the cost of innocent lives and so many crores of rupees lost, Indian taxpayers' money.
Trying to make Indian public, they think that the world is full, that their public is full. No, the Indian public is also not full. They are also watching. You are trying to gag. You are trying to shut down the voices. You are trying to push the journalists into the prison vans and dungeons and don't know where. Listen to this. It's a joke. Listen to this joke.
Of the Pakistan Prime Minister's residence.
पाकिस्तान के JF-17 फाइटर जेट को भारत के आकाश मिसाइल सिस्टम ने मार गिराया है. The JF-17s, perhaps two of them have been shot down. We are also told one F-16 has been shot down. That's a huge loss for Pakistan.
One Pakistani fighter jet pilot has also been detained, is the latest information that we have. This is the latest information. 3 JF-17s gone.
ये जो AWACS इनका जो
एक AWACS भी, one AWACS has also been shot down.
इसमें इनकी रीढ़ टूट गई है.
An F-16 has been down. Amit Bhatt of News 18 Rajasthan
has confirmed that an F-16 has been shot down.
Vishnu, we're hearing from sources that Pakistan Air Force
And the sources are their official sources. Their Ministry of Defense is saying,
Pakistan military
what a shame.
to be saying that they have lost 2 JF-17 fighter jets in the course of Operation Sindhu. That's a very big admission from them.
There is a lot of speculation that is going on, and one speculation that is going on is whether there is a coup against the Army Chief Asim Munir.
कराची बंदरगाह पर भारी तबाही हुई है 10 से ज्यादा धमाके वहां पर देखने को मिले
Port of Karachi is in flames.
अब कुछ बचा नहीं है पाकिस्तान में
Nothing is left in Pakistan. I hope you people are all right.
Big news that is coming in. Rahul, Rawalpindi and now Islamabad. Air raid sirens have gone off in Islamabad.
आर्मी अंदर घुस गई है पाकिस्तान में.
क्वेटा का इलाका है वहां पर
In Quetta also.
कर दिया है इस्लामाबाद के बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रेटेजिक लोकेशंस पर अटैक किया गया
Our missiles S-400s.
Please pause. Please pause. Pause.
One F-16.
रोकिएगा.
In the picture, you can see supposedly a PL-15 missile that they think is lying on the floor or somewhere.
This one, I think you are referring to this.
Yeah, this one.
They are claiming again and again it's a PL-15.
సో బేసికల్ గా PL-15 అనేది పాకిస్తాన్ చెందిన ఒక మిసైల్. ఓకే, అది భారతదేశంలో వేసిందని భారత మీడియాలో చూపెడుతున్నారు. ఓకే, దాని గురించి చెప్తున్నాడు.
Spheres make better models of such missiles. This is neither close to a PL-15, nor does it look like a PL-15. The missile does not land like this and gets broken in the mid section. The missile self-destructs in the air after it has a burnout time. I mean, this is laughable.
అంటే
You can die.
అది PL-15 అని చెప్పడానికి కూడా సిగ్గు లేదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. అట్లా మిసైల్ మధ్యలో ఇరగది, అది గాల్లోనే అది డిస్ట్రాక్ట్ నాశనం అయిపోతుంది అని చెప్తున్నాడు.
I mean, it's very dangerous thing that they're doing. I mean, it's fatal to human beings. This is absurd, totally absurd. Missiles.
అంటే నాకు ఎక్కడ బాధ అవుతుందండి మిత్రులారా, ఇక ఎవరిని నమ్మాలి, ఇండియాలో ఎవరిని నమ్మాలి? ఆర్మీతో సహా ఇట్లా ఫేకులు చెప్పిస్తుంటే ఐ డోంట్ నో.